Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I craft a Crescent Moon Mirror, a cute witchy moon phase inspired piece of decor made from clay and paint. Let's do some magical crafting. This kit includes everything you need to create a Crescent Moon Mirror. Step-by-step instructions, a package of modeling clay, an 8-inch wooden shadow box, one paintbrush, blue-purple metallic paint, and glitter sealant paint, a white paint pen, and a self-adhesive mirror round. I'll link to the kit below in case you want to get one for yourself, but of course, you can make this project using craft supplies that you have at home as well. I removed all of the items from the box and unfolded the packing paper. I'm using 1/3 of it for the mirror section and 2/3 to protect my table from paint for the wood section. The round mirror has a protective film on it, so I started by using the white paint pen and I drew a crescent moon on the film. Then I used a craft knife to cut the film and tweezers to pull off the crescent moon shaped portion of the film. I separated the clay into 2 halves, repackaging 1 half to keep it for another day. Then the remaining half I'm using to create the crescent moon on the mirror. I like this modeling clay because it's nice and soft and it's not messy. The clay is not very sticky though, so I'm pressing it down with my fingers and then using the back of the paintbrush to push it down more and create the craters on the moon. Next, I'm using the edge of the paintbrush along the edge of the mirror to make a clean cut around the back of my moon and removing the excess clay. I'm using the brush side of the paintbrush to add some additional texture to my crescent moon as well. Once I'm happy with my clay moon, I'm setting that part of the project aside and working on painting the wooden shadow box. I'm carefully opening the paint because the jar is quite full. This is a combination of metallic blue and metallic purple paint, so it needs a really good stir to mix the colors. I'm painting the inside of the shadow box along with the front and sides of the frame. I'm leaving the back unpainted. While the paint is drying and before we jump into the next step in the tutorial, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron. And a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. With the shadow box painted and the paint completely dry, I'm adding some stars onto my purple-blue night sky. I'm using the white paint pen to draw stars and dots in varying sizes to resemble stars. I'm adding them to all 4 edges, as well as the sides and corners of the background. Because the round mirror is going in the center, it's not necessary to fill the entire background, just the areas that will be visible. Here is my final result. With my star field complete, I glued the mirror inside of the wooden piece. Remove the protective paper from the back to expose the adhesive, and then press the mirror down. Then I removed the protective plastic film from the front of the mirror. However, I wish I had left this film on the mirror until I completed the next step. The next step is to add a shimmery glitter sealant to the project. According to the information on the clay package, the clay will take between 24 and 72 hours to dry completely. However, its smooth, rubbery surface is not wet at all, and it's fine to paint on, as long as you paint gently. I used the glitter sealant on the crescent moon, and a few splatters hit the mirror. That's why I wish I had not removed the protective film until after this step. Next, I painted more shimmery glitter sealant onto the night sky, working carefully around the mirror. In hindsight, I think I would have done this step before sticking the mirror down. A final option is to add a hanger onto the back. I tried screwing in the screws, but it started to crack the wood. So I decided to use 2 drops of hot glue to attach my hanger instead. And your project is done. Happy crafting!